Welcome to Real Life. I hope you're having a great day. Today's episode is from 1961 in Kelowna, British Columbia. The first week of June 1961 was typical for the Okanagan Valley, warm with temperatures reaching 32 Celsius. This dramatically increased the snowmelt in the higher elevations. On June 6, with the temperature hitting 26 degrees, some 22 millimeters or nearly an inch of rain fell around Kelowna during the day with rain showers and an evening thunderstorm. Combined with the snowmelt, the result was flooding along Mission Creek. Several low-lying homes and roads were flooded in the event. It's unknown how much damage resulted. City crews worked to prevent debris from clogging and damaging this bridge over what I believe is Mission Creek. I'm looking forward to identifying the specific area of this footage, including the bridge. I hope you've enjoyed this episode. Please let us know what you think in the comments section, and feel free to add more information or corrections. And if you really enjoyed it, subscribe to help support this channel. See you next time on Real Life.